in the community and what we are known for pretty much at Papa Gurman's. It is going to be de carne, which is beef. As we do first, we add our nachos to the plate, cheese, and we add the queso, shredded cheese, on top of the nachos. And we're going to put that in the oven probably for about maybe 1 minute, maybe 2 minutes.
Ya.
2 minutes? Yeah. With the flour tortillas. And the chicken. You just roll it and stick it with toothpicks. And after she does the tamales, what she's going to do is put them down in the deep fryer and let them crisp so they stay together and we can pull the toothpicks apart. You sit those down in there for about possibly 2 minutes just to make sure the bread gets completely done and stays together. Some more queso cheese. We're going to add her pico de gallo, which is basically a little bit of onions, tomato, some cilantro, a little bit of everything in there mixed in. Jalapeno, and now her guacamole, which is made fresh daily here. And also some sour cornmeal, kind of tortilla looking thing, cornmeal, but it has beef inside of it. And we cannot make a tamale with chicken, but you can make a tamale with this beef. Salsa ranchera goes on top of the tamale. She'll add a little bit more queso on top of both of the palancas.
Papa Grande special.
Papa Grande special. This is one of our favorites, but there's plenty more that everybody else has their own choice.
Guys, I'm out here at Papa Grande's, and y'all seen them put this thing together. I know I'm not going to be able to handle it, even though I'm a big dude. I just don't see this happening, but I'm going to try. If you want to come out to Papa Grande's, they're over at Military Crossing. They're right behind Military Circle Mall, right off of Virginia Beach Boulevard. You got to come out here and try the food. The food is off the chain. I'm about to dig into this, and let me see what I can make happen with this here dish. I'm going to enjoy. Y'all need to come out here and check them out.